decided against the notion of dummy schools? I suppose that you must support holistic development is only possible in normal schools. Could you very well define me the term holistic development and what is the major part that holistic development is based on?
I would say that not only regular school gives the student the opportunity to get educated, but at the same time they give them a lot of opportunities by which they can polish themselves. And the fact is that mostly the students in a regular schools are piqued their interest by the motivation which they get from their teachers.
Dear audience and judges, I would like to bring in your consideration that the point that was stated is factual inaccuracy. The holistic development is totally based upon communication skills. Do you mean to say that communication cannot happen in a dummy school? Do you say that Akash or any institution does not have teachers for students to interact with them? Do people of their own age do not come in those institutions to interact with them? Are you saying that friends cannot be made in institutions and that is only a regulation of schools?
Okay, so I would like to say something as well. And the thing is that you are studying in a regular school for quite a long time. I mean, it's been so much time that you have been studying in the regular schools, and just because you are fascinated by these new targeting schemes like these dummy schools, and you are going there, leaving behind all your friends, the friendship, the bond that you have created with the teachers, your friends. So it would definitely hinder.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you personally attacked me by saying I don't even belong to science stream, ma'am. I am from humanities and I did not leave my friends behind. I am still in contact with the teachers that I was trying to be. Thank you.
What does that actually mean? I don't understand it.
That a person can also develop their communication skills while being in a dummy school because interaction is everywhere. You interact with your parents, you interact with your teachers, and you interact with people even if you go to an Akash or even if you go to a normal classroom.
I guess you didn't get the concept.
Please stop and take your seats, please.